Hello students, how are you? Our today's topic is atom as magnetic dipole or Bohr's magnet. Now we have to prove that atom behave as magnetic dipole. We already know that any current carrying loop behave like a bar magnet and it has net magnetic dipole moment, that is M equal to is given by I into A, where I is the current threading the loop and A is the area of the loop. Now to prove atom as magnetic dipole and to find its magnetic dipole moment, first of all let us consider electron revolving around the nucleus with radius r, and let me is the mass of the electron and v is the velocity. So and let L be the angular momentum acting upward, and the total angular momentum due to its orbital motion is given by L equal to mvr. Clear? And let t be the total time period covered to cover the total distance in its orbital motion. So if t is the time, the orbital motion of electron is equivalent to the current. Now it is given by E upon t. Clear? E is the charge and t is the time to complete the orbit. Also t is given by the total circumference upon velocity, that is 2 pi r upon v. So by putting this value here we get this ev upon 2 pi r upon v, and so we get I ev upon 2 pi r. Let it be question number 1 and this is question number 2. Now what is the area of this loop? It is pi r square. Okay. And the net dipole moment is given by current into area. So from 2 and 3, by putting the value of I ev upon 2 r and area pi r square from 2 and 3, we get m equal to, by cancelling these terms we get ev r upon 2. Let it be question number 4. Now from question number 1, by rearranging this we get L upon me equal to vr. Clear? Now put this value of vr in equation number 4. So from 1 and 4 we get m equal to E upon 2 me into L. Now according to well-known Bohr's theory for orbital motion of the electron, we know that the angular momentum is always integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. So from here, by putting this value of L in the question number 5, we get this E upon 2 me into n h upon 2 pi. By rearranging, we get this, that is dipole moment of associated with atom is given by n e h upon 4 pi me, and put this e h upon 4 pi me is mu v, then we get m equal to n mu v, and this mu v, that is e h upon 4 pi me, it is known as Bohr's magneton. And if we put n equal to 1, then m mu v equal to m. So from here we can define Bohr magneton. It is the dipole moment associated with of an atom associated with orbital motion of h atom for n equal to 1, and the value of this is given by 9.27 into 10⁻⁻24 ampere meter scale. This is the unit of Bohr magneton as well as magnetic dipole moment. So from overall this topic, we can easily conclude that atom behaves as magnetic dipole and it has net dipole moment, and it is given by this relation. Okay, this is our today's topic. Thank you very much.